The birds have came back from last year. Look at there. But it's a different tree. Yes. Last year, I believe it was like this tree. This tree. Well, hey, let's see. Oh, they're still going to that tree. Yeah. So, then there, see, they're just flying around. Oh, look at the birds. Oh, goodness. Oh, they are coming from, they're coming from the south. Why would they be going to, oh, now they're going, now you see that one going to the south? They went that way? And they're just trying to find a branch. Yeah, just trying to find a branch. They're going south to north. Yeah. Yep. East and west too. and they're just sitting there. Look at all the birds. Oh, they're talking too. They say, "What? So what's going to be going on? Oh, what about bird? What a bird!" Yeah, they like that tree good. Yeah. Oh. Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. Hmm. Just circling. Yeah. All those birds. Watch out, Pugsley. Hey, Pugsley. You see all the birds? Huh? Huh? Look at all of them. Oh, they're just trying to take a nap and trying to get some rest, settling in. Yeah, they're everywhere. Look at that. Those birds. They're everywhere, everywhere.